The Indian markets today just a mixed bag. So it's swung between 16,800 levels to 17,200 levels. 30 points, maybe plus or minus on either side. But from a market perspective, 16,800 is a very important level. Once if the market breaks 16,800 on the lower side, then we are entering a bear market phase. And similarly, like 17,230 is taken out, then there can be some confidence into buying it. So let's see how the market plays out. But I think till the next Fed meeting happens on March 22nd, there might be swing between 16,800 to 17,200. And the market will have a direction post the next Fed meeting, pending Fed meeting on March 22nd. So till that time, what we can do is from a trading perspective, let's try to add on dips and sell on rallies. That is the way forward, because you never know how this market is going to play out. There are news coming in and the market is reacting big to any news coming in. From an investment perspective, I believe this is the right time to invest. Stocks which you missed out, which you couldn't add it to your portfolio for some time. Many names are looking attractive, cutting across sectors from IT, FMCG, everything is looking attractive. The valuations have come down. IT has taken a huge beating. These are good companies like Infosys, TCS, HCL. So even if there is a recession in US, I think the market reacts much ahead. So 6 months down the line, there might be some stability into these IT stocks. So there might be volatility into the stocks, into the IT stocks till that time. So there can be a downside of maybe another 10 to 15 percentage, which is limited, I would say, with respect to the IT companies. But on the higher side, it can easily rally 30 to 40 percentage in the next 2 years. So start adding the IT names. You don't even need to look into the mid cap IT names. You can just pick Infosys, TCS, and accumulate those at every levels. And if you're doing SIPs, ensure like you're not stopping your SIPs, and instead you top up your SIPs. Any IT names is good at this point of the time, I believe, with zero debt. So similarly on the FMCG space, if you see HUL, Dabur, everything is starting to look attractive. So we can start accumulating this stocks. So from today's perspective, I see the oil marketing companies has done well, BPCL, HPCL, and the oil rates have cooled off. So that is the reason behind this. Similarly, there was a news flow into Z Entertainment. So the Z Entertainment stock rallied, I think. So these were the top gainers into today, and there were like some stocks which were in oversold zones, like closed into like 1 to 2 percentage in the green today. And from the top losers perspective, the metal stocks were impacted most. GSW Steel, Tata Steel, NMDC, copper related stocks. So from the losers perspective, I see Tata Steel is looking attractive at this point. So you can start accumulating the Tata Steel around 100 levels, and you can look for an immediate target of 110 to 115 in the next 3 to 6 months. So for tomorrow, we have to see where the US market in fact opens, and that might be a direction for tomorrow. But the market seems to be in a range bound, so the market might be volatile. So intraday traders ensure you have strict stop loss on both sides, and investors right time, as I said earlier, to start accumulating the stocks. Other names which are looking good is Muthoot Fincorp. Muthoot Finance is kind of bottoming it out, so you can start accumulating Muthoot Finance. And another stock which is looking attractive at this point of time from the pharma space is Natco Pharma. So yeah, these are a couple of names which are looking interesting at this point of time, along with IT names which I discussed earlier. So let's see in another episode of markets. Thank you, everyone.